So today we're unboxing the Game of Thrones palette that I just got from Urban Decay, and I will be doing a makeup trial tutorial, so stay tuned. Okay, let's open this box up. I got it in the mail like a week ago, but I waited to open it with you guys. So this is it here. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. And here's the back of it with all the colors. This looks wicked cool. I'm so excited. I love the Game of Thrones. I read all the books. However, I was disappointed by the series, the whole thing finale, and the whole last season wasn't that great, and I don't know, I was really let down. I'm hoping that the book comes out soon, or books, plural, and it is a lot better than the last season and that last episode, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys thought of that. I hated it. So anyways, let's see. There's a mirror. It says Lannister, Targaryen, Baratheon, Stark, Tyrell. They're all just spokes on a wheel. This one's on top, then that one's on top, and on it spins, crushing those on the ground. Daenerys Targaryen. So this pops open, and it has like the throne from the Game of Thrones. That's cool. I love stuff like this. Never forget what you are. The rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor, and it can never be used to hurt you. Tyrion Lannister. So it's got like a bunch of quotes in here. Who's your favorite character from the Game of Thrones? Mine was Jon Snow. I feel like he got the shaft. So there's like a drawer here on the side, and the palette pops out of it like so. I'm gonna take it out. So there is Take the Black, Frozen North, Nymeria, Weirwood Leaves, Red Keep, House Lannister, Stormborn, Dothraki, White Walker, Free Folk, Winter is Here, The Sight, Casterly Rock, Lannister Red, House Targaryen, Bend the Knee, Hard Home, Winterfell, King's Landing, Bay of Dragons. Sorry if I didn't pull that up as I was reading those, but I will swatch those for you guys and let you know what they look like. So I forgot to hit record, and I started the look already. So I'm gonna do a dark look with this color Lannister Red, as I've started already on my crease here. So it looks a little something like this. So there's both sides done with that color, and I'm not, like I said before, not any kind of makeup artist. I just do makeup for fun, and I just try to do my best. Next, I'm going to do my lid with this color, which is King's Landing. We're going totally Lannister, I guess, even though I hated them. Well, I liked Tyrion Lannister. That was about it. Well, that's not true. Towards the end, I kind of liked Jaime, but he was just an idiot. I hope the lighting is okay for you guys today. I just didn't feel like getting my ring light out. It's kind of a pain in the butt to set up, so I just didn't take it out. And I'm also just going to use the same color and just do kind of like the inside and blend in there. This isn't like the greatest makeup tutorial because I'm looking over here and it's just hard for me to switch back and forth. and actually see what I'm doing. But this is basically just for fun, so you guys get an idea of the colors. And then I usually like to use up here between my eyebrow and where I did the crease, what is this, your brow bone area, a very light color, but we don't really have anything too light. The lightest color we have is Hard Home, so I'm just going to use that one. A lot of these are really sparkly. I like that. I like sparkly colors. And I just kind of blend it into the darker color a little bit. This has, like, I feel like bigger specks of shimmer in it, sparkles. Something like that. And I feel like I need to darken it up a little bit, like darken the red up a little bit more. So I'm just going over again with the same Lannister color, because I felt like when I blended it too much and it's not as dark as I'd like it to be. I don't know why this whole thing smells like leather. I feel like I'm in like a biker shop. And I think I'm just going to do a tad of Winter is Here. It's that dark brown right here in like the very deep part of my crease. I'm going to put on my liquid eyeliner now, and then I'll be back. So here it is with the eyeliner and mascara on. Now I'm just going to do the bottom part of my lids with some of the colors. I'm going to use the Winter is Here again. And I just put like a little bit on a brush like this. And I just do my lower lash line, but I don't do the inside corner. I kind of stop 3/4 of the way. Like so. And then I'm just going to use the same Hard Home, the lightest color here, and do the inside corner. It just gives it like a little pop. Like that. I'm really hoping you guys can see this because I feel like the lighting in here is not that great, but whatever. So then you can go ahead and add some mascara to your lower lash line. Or you can add black to your waterline if you want it to stand out more. I'm not going to do that today. Sometimes I do that, but today I just don't feel like it. And that, my friends, is the finished look. What do you think? I think it looks nice. I think it looks kind of autumnish, and I feel like a lot of colors in this palette will give you a really cool autumn look. So now I will swatch all the stuff for you guys, because I know a lot of people are interested in seeing that. So the first color I'm going to do is take the black, and it has a lot of shimmery sparklies in there. So there's that color. I don't know if you can see the flecks of sparkle, but they are there. Next down is Frozen North, which is this color. It's kind of a turquoise color. It's really pretty. I don't think I have anything quite like that. And then we have Nymera. It's kind of a plainish type brownish color. That is I think that's like a really good fall color, but it's this one's matte. It has no shine to it. I feel like it looks more orangey on camera than it does in real life. And next is Weirwood Leaves. I love this color, it's so pretty. Only a fall color, it's like a burgundy color. It actually looks more brown on my arm than it does on the palette. And then we have Red Keep, which is not really red. It's more of a brownish gold color, which is this one. This one looks more orangey too. And this one has sparkle to it, and so did the one before it. The only matte one so far was the Nymera one. That's kind of like reminds me like a pumpkin color. Definitely a fall look. Next one is House Lannister. This one is a matte color. This one's pretty. I don't know how to explain it. It looks pinky on the palette, like a peachy pink color. Stormborn is the next one, which is a shiny dark purple color. And it looks like it has like flecks of dark purple sparkles and light pinkish color sparkles. Dothraki is the next one, which is just a sparkly gold color, a darker gold. I've been into gold recently, and I usually don't like gold. Like, I don't really wear gold jewelry, but as far as makeup, I've been liking gold lately. It's actually really pretty. White Walker is the next one. It's kind of a grayish, bluish white color. Well, it's not really white. It's just a grayish blue. Oh, it doesn't really come up. It is cool though. It would be cool for like a highlight color. Next is Free Folk, which is also a sparkly gray color. More of a darker gray and not so much blue as the White Walker. Ooh, it's really shimmery. I like it. Then we have Winter is Here, which is the one that I am wearing, and underneath here, and then in the crease, like the deep crease, like I showed you guys. Just a sparkly dark brown color. The Sight, what does that mean? Like, is that like the three-eyed raven, the Sight? It's a green sparkle color, dark green. Definitely a lot of fall colors, which I'm excited about because I love the fall. Casterly Rock is this brown one here. Again, has shimmer to it. More of a goldy brown color. And then Lannister Red, which is what I'm wearing, and I showed you guys the big crease part. House Targaryen. Like a peachy brownish color. I guess it looks more goldish orange on camera. And then for the last of the square shapes, the Bend the Knee. I always hate that Bend the Knee. Ooh, it's more purple than I thought. It's like a brighter type purple with some shimmer to it. And then we just have these lighter colors. Well, this one's dark, but I'll put these on my hand. So Hard Home is what I did on the top, like brow bone area. This here. Ooh, it looks so nice on my hand. It definitely has thicker sparkles, I feel like. Don't mind the veins in my hand. It's so bad. I feel like you can't really see that. And then Winterfell is a brownish gold color. I think these have like the bigger flecks of sparkle in them. King's Landing, which I used on my lid. I'll show you again right here, which is this one. And here it is on my hand. And then last, Bay of Dragons is a pinky kind of sparkly color. So hopefully that helped you guys to get a better idea of the colors on the skin. Let me know what you think of this palette. I actually really like it. It's probably one of the palettes that I've got in the last year that I like the most. Like I said, I love how it has a lot of the fall tones, earthy type colors. I love that kind of stuff. I can't wait to use this for the fall season and autumn. I think it's gonna look really good. So let me know if any of you guys actually bought this yourselves. I know there's more to the whole Game of Thrones set. I think there's lipsticks and lip liners. I'm not sure what, but it was like a whole thing, and I think it was a lot of money, like $300 something. This cost, I think, $65, and it wasn't being sold in stores anymore, so I had to get it offline off of Urban Decay's site. So anyways, until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I will talk to you guys later.